and welcome back to our channel. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Heather.
And today we are going to be opening days 19 and 20 of Cinereplicas Harry Potter Deluxe Advent Calendar. So before we get into this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it, and you won't miss a video. Do you want to start?
Sure. That's fine. Oh, here's 19. Oh, tiny. Let's see what we got here. Number 19. Ooh, a necklace.
Ooh, that's pretty. Can you tell what it's
I think
of?
it's a snitch.
Ooh, a golden snitch. Maybe?
I can do this. I can do this. There we go. I found it. It is a golden snitch.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that is so pretty. Let's see if I can show you. I'll show you a close up, of course. A little golden snitch. Isn't that cute? I love that. Let's see on the
That's
back.
very pretty.
Oh, it's just the logo on the back. That is very nice. I'm gonna put that on. Or no, wait, why don't you try it on? It'll show up really well on
yeah.
my ears. That is beautiful. I mean, the quality of these gifts are amazing.
This would be really fun to wear to a Quidditch game.
It would be.
Because it's a golden snitch and it's golden, and Hufflepuff, their colors is yellow. And yellow gold's close. I know Gryffindor is red and gold and Hufflepuff is black and yellow, but you know, yellow and gold's close.
It's close.
Yeah, that looks so
That
pretty.
is very nice.
Alrighty, so we will go ahead and see what day 20 is. And it has a Christmas cracker on it. So we will see what's inside. Okay.
Oh, a bottle opener.
Yeah. So this is a bottle opener with, it is Harry Potter's wand across the back here. And so yeah, this is something that's really useful, especially like we like to make butterbeer. And so we have to use, we always like to get the glass bottles if at all possible of the cream soda. So yeah, this can add a little extra magic just to everyday life. So that's really nice. It's kind of cool, and it's really small. So you can, you know, even carry it around with you if you so choose. Yeah.
Yeah, I like it. I like it.
Yeah.
Can't wait to see what the next few days bring.
Alrighty, so that was days 19 and 20. And so we hope that you join us again for days 21 and 22. Bye.